This is the Lone Creator YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by putting clear boundaries around money, so act now. Write income, fixed bills, and current debt. Use dollar and percent to see pressure points. Then, track every purchase for 7 days. Note merchant, amount, and trigger. Once done, impose a 124-hour rule on non-essential buys and a firm dollar threshold to bypass. This prevents impulse escalation. Make sure to use a simple app or a paper log you can access in the moment. This initial discipline creates the habit you need. You now change the mechanics that cause overspending. Split spending into essentials, plan treats, and savings, and assign numeric limits to each. Then automate transfers. Schedule the first savings, deposit, and bill payments so money never lingers in checking. Once automated, add friction. Make impulse buys harder by uninstalling shopping apps, using cash-only envelopes, or forcing a delay at checkout. These steps reduce decision fatigue and interrupt the impulse pathway. So your new rules, you complete the process by reviewing and reinforcing gains. Each week, audit spending. Cancel unused subscriptions, adjust thresholds, and reallocate dollar toward goals. Then set a small, planned reward when you hit milestones so you don't feel deprived. If things go wrong, don't panic. Perform a focused audit of triggers, return to a 1-week tracking period, and tighten friction measures for 2 weeks. Make sure to learn why the slip happened and fix that specific trigger so the change becomes durable.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.